What is AI? A simple 5-minute explanation for beginners. Hey there. You've heard it everywhere. AI is taking over the world. But what does AI actually mean? Is it robots taking our jobs? Or sci-fi machines thinking for themselves? Well, in just 5 minutes, I'm going to explain what AI really is, without the confusing tech lingo. What AI means. AI stands for artificial intelligence. That's just a fancy way of saying machines that mimic human intelligence, like thinking, learning, solving problems, or making decisions, just like a person would. But here's the twist. AI doesn't think like a human. It doesn't have emotions, beliefs, or a soul. It's just a super powerful tool, trained to recognize patterns and act on them.
How does AI learn? So how does AI get smart? It all comes down to data and learning. Let's say we want to teach AI to recognize cats. We show it thousands of cat photos. The AI doesn't know what a cat is. It just finds patterns. Whiskers, fur, pointy ears. Boom, it learns what a cat looks like. This is called machine learning. The AI trains itself from data, and the more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. There are 3 main types. Supervised learning. AI learns from labeled data like, this is a cat, this is a dog. Unsupervised learning. AI finds patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning. It learns by trial and error, like a game. Where is AI used today? AI is already everywhere, and you probably use it every day without realizing it. When Netflix recommends your next show, that's AI. When Google finishes your sentence, AI again. Self-driving cars? AI. Spam filters in your email? AI. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa? Yup, AI. Even those crazy AI-generated images and voices? You guessed it, that's generative AI.
Is AI dangerous? Okay, but wait, should we be worried? Good question. AI isn't evil, but people could use AI for evil. But like any powerful tool, it depends on how we use it. There are concerns. Bias. AI can reflect human prejudices if trained on bad data. Job automation. Some jobs might disappear. Privacy, facial recognition, surveillance. Yep, AI can be creepy. Fake content, deepfakes and fake voices. AI again. That's why ethics, fairness, and responsible AI development are becoming super important.
To wrap up. So, what is AI? It's not magic. It's not alive. It's just machines trained with data to act smart. And whether it's helping you write an email or powering your favorite filter, AI is here to stay. So stay curious, keep learning, and don't worry, we're not in a sci-fi movie yet. Hit like if this made AI easier to understand, and subscribe for more AI lessons to come.